Curious what's inside this? Tired of waking up with sore teeth and jaws? Struggling with teeth grinding or clenching at night? Oak Dental Clinic has the perfect solution for you. Our custom-made night guards, crafted from strong, durable acrylic, provide excellent protection for your teeth, preventing further damage. Here's how it works during your first visit. We take dental impressions of your teeth. In just a week, you'll return to receive your custom-fit night guard, ensuring it fits perfectly before you leave.